Today we'll talk about how can you enable purchase updates notifications on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, clicking this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to purchase updates, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. You come to show notifications. Click in this sign, like you see this color show for us. That's mean purchase updates notifications enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.